The FEI Eventing Nations Cup series is upon us once again, with a packed 2022 calendar taking us across Europe and North America. Leg 1 takes place in Pratoni del Vivaro from the 12th of May. Pratoni will also play host to the 2022 FEI Eventing World Championships in September. The last time this legendary venue hosted the Italian leg was back in 2019. In the dressage phase, it was the Netherlands that would storm to the top of the leaderboard, thanks to Elaine Penn and Blue Nile. Day 2 saw a thrilling cross-country phase, with the famous Pratoni slide playing its part in proceedings. Switzerland's Caroline Gerber taking the longer route in an aim for safety over speed. The rest of the Swiss team followed, while everyone else faltered around them, leaving them top after phase 2. And finally, the show jumping test. The Swiss had built up an insurmountable lead, and when Tiziana Riolini came in, she cemented a win for Team Switzerland. The Swiss held off the Italians and the Swedes to record a famous win, one that ultimately achieved qualification for the Tokyo Olympic Games.